that was open.
Hey YouTubers, well this is my hovel. The very first experience, have you ever been through a hurricane? I bet you're not down in Florida. I camped out here in the woods during the hurricane. It's a fun-filled experience. Can't think of anything else to say, any other stories.
Well, what do you think happened to the encampment?
Probably a bunch of rednecks, I can say. Disrespectful folks.
Some fear to be a fan.
Yeah, we found the fear killers. No respect for me.
Are you going to come back with me and clean up?
Oh, I'm going to come back, yeah. If I can make time for it.
One of us is both of us.
Yeah, it's right.
Get screwed up by other people's flaws. We're turned upside down now, nothing else to do. Living concrete jungles, the blocks of a view, and that ain't no joke. You can disappear in smoke, and that ain't no joke. You can disappear in smoke, and I'm telling you that it ain't no lie.
Describe the shelter a little bit, and then, you know, what you were thinking during the hurricane.
Well, it was a hovel, you know, like a small little hutch, what you see like in the Lord of the Rings, almost. Almost like a little shelter at a slanted angle, but with a dome.
What was it like when you lived here?
Actually fun. No TV, no electric. When you're camping out in the woods and you got nothing to do and you're homeless, read books. Keep your mind entertained. Ain't much, but it was beautiful. Respect nature, that's all I gotta say.